This is battlement couching. It's a fun way to layer threads and fill in a shape with lots of fun texture. For this stitch, you are going to work your threads vertically and horizontally. To start, we are going to bring our needle up in the bottom corner of our shape, and we are going to make a straight stitch across to the other side of that shape, like so. On that same side, we are going to bring our needle up about 1/4 of an inch away from that stitch we made. To make sure that thread's nice and flat there. And we are going to go across to the other side of that shape about 1/4 of an inch. You can lay your thread nice and flat here to make sure it's a straight line, and then bring your needle on down if that is helpful. And we are going to repeat across our shape here. So I will come up on the same side I went down on again here. And then again, go across to the other side of my shape. So I'll lay my thread straight here and bring my needle on down. And I will repeat on this side one more time here. So come up about 1/4 of an inch away and lay my thread down, making a nice long straight stitch. As you can see, I'm leaving a space of about 1/4 of an inch here on the rest of my shape. Now we are going to make we made our vertical stitches, now we're going to make our horizontal stitches. So I'm going to bring my needle up about 1/4 of an inch away from the bottom corner on this open end of my shape here. And I'm going to go across to my shape and bring my needle down over my vertical stitches and come up about 1/4 of an inch away on this side, making sure not to split that thread, and then again going across my shape down the other side here, and I think we can fit one more in here. So come up on this side. Make sure my little tail end isn't stuck in there. There we go. And we'll go across the other side again. Bring my thread down here. Now we're going to knot off our thread. So I'll bring my needle to the back, and I'm just going to make a little slip knot here. And cut this thread away, like so. Now we're going to repeat this process with more thread colors. So I'll grab another thread here and we'll do that again. So I'm going to bring my needle up right next to this thread right here at the bottom. And I'll go across vertically to the other side, right next to the top. And then I will come up on that same side, back down again on the bottom. And these threads lay right next to my first layer of stitches. We don't want them on top of them because we want to see all of the threads that we're laying down here. Now we'll do our horizontal stitches. And then we'll knot this thread color off and grab another thread color. After all of our thread layers are laid, we need to make our short little tacking stitches, and these go over the outermost thread layers. So we want to come up outside the cross of our thread here, bring our needle up, and then we're going to bring our needle over and around that thread, like so, tacking it on down. Then we'll move up to the next little cross of the outermost threads and bring our needle over, making a short little tacking stitch. We'll repeat for all of our threads here. And this will hold down the rest of our threads underneath. And then we would knot that thread off, and that is your battlement couching. Have fun with this stitch, and for more stitch videos, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit MCreativeJ.com.